So our street art project combines street field research on a work of art that's visible to the public with academic research in our college library to create an analytical paragraph and detailed bibliography about a work of street art and what it says about attention in American culture. Let's look at how that plays out in this sample piece, which is about a Chicano Park mural called Death of a Farm Worker. You can see that we begin with an image, that image was collected by me going out into the field and taking a picture of the image and taking a picture of myself out there in the field, writing down various notes about details of the image and its neighborhood and context that I want to talk about. Then, once I had that material, I went to the library and put together a detailed list of research sources related to my topic. And for each source, I provided a link and a 5-point evaluation of the source, its credibility and its usefulness. And you can see that I did that for a bunch of different sources. I think there's 6 or 7 different sources. Now, once I have all this research and once I have all these field notes, I can put together the final analytical paragraph, which is going to begin with a claim about what this mural says about attention in American culture. In this case, the claim is about the tension between work as liberating and work as constraining, 2 ways we think about work in America. And the first sentence lays out the claim that the rest of the paragraph is going to try to support. And in the claim here, you can see that the sentence reads, first painted in 1979, Death of a Farm Worker celebrates the dignity and liberating power of work. So, positive about work as liberating. But then it goes on to say, even as it denounces how work constrains farm workers. In other words, it seems like this claim is saying in this mural, we see both aspects of the tension. We see both work as liberating and also work as constraining. Now, there are no rules that your work of art has to have aspects of both sides of the tension. Some works of art emphasize one side, some emphasize the other, some mix the two. It's going to depend on what you choose. But the point is that as you think about selecting a work of art, that you have in mind the process that's going to combine field research, collecting images, taking pictures of your art and yourself out at your art, taking notes about the neighborhood and vicinity, and then blending that with academic research and scholarship where you evaluate sources in an organized, critical manner, using the field research and the academics research to construct a highly organized analytical paragraph that really unpacks what this work of art says about attention in American culture. Now that all looks complicated, but we're going to work through it step by step, and you're going to be able to go back and refer to this example whenever you need to.